How to use job search filters on Indeed. On Indeed, you can find jobs for almost everything, but you will also need to have the capability to filter those jobs. Let me tell you how you can filter hundreds of jobs to find the one that fits you the best. So, on your job page in Indeed, you will see an interface like this. At the very top, you will see a long search bar. On the left search bar, type in the position that you are looking for. For example, just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in front end developer. Now on the right side, type in your location. Not the location that your account is situated on, but the location that you want to work in. You can also select the option remote. Now these are the two main things that you will need to search a job. However, to customize it, you can set the pay. There's also an option for all jobs or remote. You can also look through the companies. If you want a full-time, part-time or any other things, you can also set up that. Additionally, here are also other features available which you can set. Make sure that you filter out as much as you can to find the best job that you are looking for. There are thousands of jobs on Indeed, so it's best to filter out as much as you can. That's all for today. Thank you.